you ever find it challenging to create an exciting summer bucket list that's perfectly tailored to your preferences? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to use AI to create a personalized summer bucket list in minutes. Whether you're staying local or traveling, AI can help you plan the ultimate summer adventure. Let's dive in. In this video, we'll share a free prompt for Gemini Live that will help you design a customized summer bucket list, tailored to your preferences such as interests, price, and location, with recommendations on experience providers included. Here's how your prompt should look. You can see actual prompt on your screen. I'm looking to create an awesome summer bucket list. Help me by asking questions about my preferences so you can personalize the list of activities. Further, the prompt includes instructions to the AI regarding questions it should ask you to understand your preferences and tailor the bucket list accordingly. You can also see this prompt in the description of the video. Copy and paste it into Gemini Live, and it will start asking you questions about your preferences. After you respond to the questions, it will use your answers to create a personalized list of 30 summer bucket list activities for your home location and travels. You can then choose your favorites and even get help finding providers. Use this technique to plan your summer bucket list, and you'll be amazed at how much more you can enjoy and accomplish during your break. Got a topic you want us to cover next? Drop your ideas in the comments below. If you enjoyed seeing how AI can enhance your summer planning, give us a like. We'll keep uncovering how AI tools can enhance your daily life. Thanks for watching.